Sander, sumingit.
Suminggit.
Suminggit. Okay.
Suminggit.
From what college po, Sander?
I'm from the College of Arts and Sciences.
So, unsa ni mo ang pagkanta? Doon na ba kay banda? Tiga pila na ba kay contest? Choir member?
Yeah, na ako yung band.
Wow.
Some of my band members are there, and I'm also part of SU band.
Wow.
Yeah.
Kana. So, unsa kanta ni Sander karon?
Get You by Daniel Caesar.
Wow, Get You. So, ready na ba si Sander?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ang mga followers ni Sander, ready na ba? Kana. Since ready na ang tanan, dili na natudugayon pa ako nang ihatag ang entablado sa Beat Okay. Palakpakan na to si Sander para siyang kanta nga, Get You.
Drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms have fallen, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. And every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Ooh, I thought I'd get you. And you would have thought I'd get you. And when we're making love, nah, your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us, and everything I need between those thighs. And every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. And every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Ooh, I thought I'd get you. Oh yeah, babe. And you would have thought I'd get you. And I'll take some time just to be thankful that I had days full of you. And before it winds down into the memories, it's all just memories. Don't you love when I come around? I'll build you up, then I take it down. me feel so alive. Now just be my lover, or you lead me to paradise.
Grabe ka, grabe si Sander na. Well, naminaw ko nimo ang gipiyong akong matamura kung naminaw ni Dionela. Kailan kan Dionela?
Wala.
Katong bagong nag-trending karon katong ni kanta og sining gani.
Familiar.
Okay, Dani, kinsa atong kauban diha og pili atong makuha nga score gikan ganiya?
Alright, before anything else, no, it's not easy to cover Daniel Caesar na song. Okay, rata dira. Sige, we're excited na jud mo score. Sige, so what is your name? Tapos unsa ang college and nganong kanimong score gihatag?
My name is Daniel Montemayor from BS Biology. Kamang booth diha. Kaniyang gihatag nga score kay Lara, Sander. Palag di ako. Nice man yung tingog si Sander. And yeah, nice job.
Bidzers, kung kamo mohatag og grado, pila ka ha, ug ngano? Ug asa na pud mo ganahan nga mo bisita ang Bitzy Okay? Just comment down below. Ug ganahan sad mo nga mo sponsor og episode, email us at info@bitzy.com. Ayaw kalimot og like, share, subscribe sa Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram ug Spotify para updated ka sa mga upcoming videos nato.